Hi folks, welcome back to MetaBox tutorial. In today's practice, we are going to find out how to create thumbnails for a taxonomy and featured images for a portfolio page combining MetaBox and bricks. We often use images in a portfolio page as the one I'm showing here. Each one here is a term of a taxonomy, which is about an accommodation type with its own thumbnail. Also, I'll use the same image to be the featured image of the archive page that shows posts in each term. I have MetaBox Core plugin here to create custom post types, taxonomy as well as a custom field to store the images for the taxonomy. You can download this plugin directly from wordpress.org. We also need some MetaBox extensions to have advanced features. You can install them individually or just use MetaBox all in one. Here are the extensions that we will use in this practice. MB Custom Post Types and Custom Taxonomies to create a custom post type and custom taxonomy for the portfolio. MetaBox Builder to have a UI on the backend to create the custom field for images. Let's get started. Go to MetaBox and create a new custom post type for the portfolio. After publishing, you will see a new menu displayed here. It's your post type. Go to MetaBox, Taxonomies, to create a new taxonomy. In the Post Types tab, choose Portfolio to apply this taxonomy to this post type. Now, you can go back to the created post type and see a new submenu here. Go there and add some terms for the taxonomy. Here are some terms that I created for illustration. Let's go ahead to create a place to add thumbnail images for these terms. Go to MetaBox, select Custom Fields to create a field. Here I'm creating a custom field called URL Portfolio Thumbnail to input images. With the URL field, you can insert image links so that your site won't carry those images. After having the field, move to the Settings tab. Choose Location as Taxonomy, and select Portfolio Type that is the created taxonomy. So, when creating a new term for the taxonomy of the portfolio, you'll see the created custom field. Now you can edit some terms and add a URL of an image for each term. Let's create the portfolio page. Add a new page as usual. Then edit it with bricks. First, add a section for covering all the page content. Add a heading element to display the page's title. Next, add a div element. I will set a query in this div to get all the terms of the portfolio taxonomy. Enable the query loop. Set the type of the query as terms. Then, in this box, choose the name of the taxonomy that you use for the portfolio. That's done for the query. Now, add some elements to display the information of each term like this. This is the thumbnail of the term that we save the URL in a custom field. So add the image element. Then add dynamic data for it. Just search for the name of the field here. All the images will be displayed. For the section that shows the name and description of the term, I use another div. Add a basic text element for the name of the term. Drag it to inside the div element. Now add dynamic data for it. Choose term name in the term section from the list. You see, it displayed. In the same way, add another basic text element to display the term's description. Select dynamic data from the term description option. Finally, you may want to add a button to navigate users to the archive page of each term. So add a button element. Set the link type of the button as dynamic data. And set dynamic data for it as well. In the Terms section on the drop-down list, you will see the term Archive URL option. Choose it. Now, just style this page a little bit by changing the settings of each element. Let's see the page on front end. It's so easy to have a thumbnail for each term. Do you see that? I have a template for the archive page of each term of the created taxonomy like this. There is no image as default, but I have an image saved in a custom field for this term, so I will display it here as a featured image for this page. Go to Bricks and edit the template. Inside the section that covers all the page content, add an image element. Then select dynamic data for this image element from the custom field. Choose the field name from the list. The image will display immediately. You can style it in your own way for a better look. Let's see the page on the front end. That's done in the end of today's tutorial. If you want to try more, please watch other tutorials on this channel. Remember to like, share, and subscribe us for more tutorials. Bye.